In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a voting pool in a WhatsApp group. Simple and easy. So now let's do that. So we have to type something here. So we tap on the message section there, and then we tap on the attachment sign. Good. And you can see pool here. So tap on the pool. Good. Now we can ask a question. Are you happy? And then the options, we can make it yes. We can make this no. We add a third option. Let's make it others. This is for tutorial, so nothing. Yeah, so the pool settings, we can allow multiple answers. That it means a single person can choose two different answers, right? So no, we don't allow multiple answers here. And also we have to hide the voter's name. So maybe it's about something and maybe I'm voting for something and my friend, I don't want my friend to know I'm voting for something like that, or meaning a notion or something. We need to hide the voter's name. After that, we send it. Good. And you can see, so when people start voting yes, you see you get one vote and the voters name are hidden. So that's it on how you create a voting pool on WhatsApp group. If you are new here, you give a like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.